Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Ghost Touch on your Android phone. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, Ghost Touch is a common issue in Android devices that can be caused by the several factors including software glitches, hardware issues, and external factors like dirt, oil, or the moistures on the screen. And I'm going to tell you some ways to fix the ghost touch on your Android phone. First of all, you can clean the screen. Use a gentle cloth or an eyeglass cleaner to get rid of the debris on your screen. Dirt, oil, and grime can cause ghost touches. So you can also remove screen protector. If you have a screen protector on your device, that it may be a cause of the ghost touch problem, and consider removing to see it if the issue persists. Now you can also check for the software update. Sometimes the ghost touch problems can occur due to the software bug. To fix this, make sure your device is up to date with the latest software updates available. Also, you can guys a simple restart can fix ghost touch problems. If the problem persists, try a full shutdown and start up. So these are some of the ways to fix ghost touch on Android device. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.